Yes, sir.
Okay. So I welcome all of you in the webinar of data analytics, right? I'm myself Ankur Varshne, right? I'm data scientist and I will take today's webinar on data analytics, right? So before starting the session about the webinar about the data analytics, I want to know about yourself, like what do you know about the data science? What is data analytics? I want to know about this, right? So can anyone tell me about, like, if you know about, like, what is data science? Data is very trending right now. You can see in the market, like, lots of employees are getting job on the basis of that. Lots of getting layoffs. They are getting so many layoffs, right, in the different companies. So what is data science, and why it is needed, right, in nowadays, and uh, what is the background we need, right, to have to understand data science? It is I'm eligible for all the branches are eligible, all the backgrounds are eligible for the data science, right? So these are the so many questions I know you have in your mind, right? So I will clear out all these things, but I have to know that what you think about data science, what you know. So please unmute yourself and tell me that anyone if know about data science or data analytics. Any one of you, please. Anyone? There are lots of students. Any one of you. I'm not judging on your answer. I'm not expecting that you will give the correct answer. I'm here to give you the correct answer, right? But if you not tell me, then how can I know that what is in your mind, or if you are having the okay, someone of that said to analyze the data to find pattern. Okay, that's good. Others, anyone else? You can unmute yourself and you can tell us, right? So if you're thinking to switch your career into data science or data analytics and you want to move in IT, then definitely you have to be vocal, right? You can't sit like in silent and you're muted yourself and you want to a job, right, in data science or data analytics department, but it cannot be happen in that way, because you have to be vocal, right? If you know anything, right, little bit also, then you can share here. What is data analytics? It's a simple term nowadays. Yes, everyone can see my screen. Hello, yes, show me. Are you getting my voice? Are you able to see my
Yes, sir.
screen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, just a second. Bring the SB board. Okay, so I'm talking about data science, or you can say also data analytics. And what is the difference between both of them? Right? These are the so many questions that you have, right? So if anyone is having doubt, right, about its past career, right, that whatever studies he have done, what is the degree he have taken, and he have doubt that, okay, I can get the job in data science, I want to switch in data science and data analytics, can I get this opportunity or not, right? Am I eligible or not? So let me tell you that the background which is needed, right? So it's not particular that you have to be do the BTech, right, or you have to do the an e-commerce or something like that, because itself data science and data analytics comes from the different three departments. Let me tell you that. What is these three departments? First, that major department, right, that comes from maths and little bit about stats, right? Now the second department is that is which is major role in this is business problems, right? Now to solve these business problems, we have taken the help from the stats and mathematics, and to resolve it fast, we need the knowledge of coding, that is computer science. So irrespective of any field, right, if you have little bit knowledge of mathematics and stats, if you have little bit knowledge of computer science, if you understand the problems of business, right, like let's take an example of any production based company, that any company that who make the products like mobile, right? And they are having some issues in some of the products that they are not selling, they are getting less sale in particular product, right? So how we can increase that productivity, right? Or how we can increase the sales, right? So there are lots of business problems that we can come across, and that we can understand said where we are lagging, right? So that is called business problems, right? And they are similar as we are facing in our daily life also, right? So if you have understanding of the business problems and you know about little bit about coding, right? So that makes the complete picture of data science or data analytics. So the mixture of all these three is called data science. Everyone understood what is data science? Right? So it's not that you have to be expert in business problems, expert in computer science, expert in mathematics. That is why I've taken some part of every different module. Getting a point, everyone? Right? See, if you are agree, at least you have to say, unmute yourself and to say yes, sir, no, sir. Right? Then I can give you that response on the basis of that. Right? So please be interactive, right? Let's make this session more interactive, right? I'm not judging anyone. I'm not asking about, like, I'm not expecting that you will give that correct answer, but at least your understanding or not understanding, let me know that, right? Getting my point, everyone? Everyone understood
Yes,
that
sir.
at least which basic knowledge you need to enter in this field in data science or data analytics? Okay, but if I ask you what is data science and data analytics, so simply they copy the definition from the Google or from the Chat GPT, right? And they put that definition in the interviews or in the anyone in front of anyone, right? But if you want to understand what is data science, right, or what is data analytics, there are three technical terms we have. On the basis of these three technical terms, you can understand easily what is data science or what is data analytics and what is difference between both of them, right? I will tell you with the help of the workflow diagram that how it is different from the data science is different from the data analytics, right? So let's go for the new page and tell you about the three major terms which explain about the data science or the data analytics, right? The three
सर
terms.
तुम्ही कोर्स लॉन्च करणार आहे का याचा?
हाँ जी,
तुम्ही कोर्स लॉन्च करणार आहे का?
कोर्स क्या है बेटा कृष्णा?
कोर्स लॉन्च करने वाले हो का आप ये वाला डेटा साइंस वाला?
डेटा साइंस वाला भी होगा, डेटा एनालिटिक्स भी, दोनों है। आप जिसमें एनरोल कराएंगे वो हो जाएगा। तो डेटा साइंस क्या, मैं भी आपको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करूंगा कि डेटा साइंस और डेटा एनालिटिक्स में होता है क्या। एक्चुअली डेटा एनालिटिक्स फर्स्ट स्टार्ट होता है, उसके बाद डेटा साइंस उसी में मर्ज हो जाता है, मतलब उसी का ही पार्ट है, राइट? डेटा साइंस का ही पार्ट है डेटा एनालिटिक्स, उसमें फिर एआई जब जुड़ जाता है तो दैट इज डेटा साइंस, राइट? आई विल लेट यू नो, राइट? डोंट वरी। ओके, सो अभी first we will see the three terms which is helpful to understand the data science or the data analytics. First term is descriptive analysis.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था।
हाँ जी।
सर मैं अभी बीएससी स्टैटिस्टिक्स को हूँ, मैं
हाँ,
एमएससी स्टैटिस्टिक्स में करूँ क्या डेटा साइंस में करूँ?
आप अगर सैट्स में हैं तो सबसे अच्छा है कि आप डेटा साइंस में करिए।
एमएससी क्या?
हाँ जी,
एमएससी डेटा साइंस में करूँ क्या?
राइट, डेफिनेटली वो तो बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा, क्योंकि अगर
स्टैट में नहीं करने का क्या?
देखिए, आप अगर स्टैट्स में भी करना चाहते हो, क्या करना चाहते हो, मेन चीज है कि आपका एम क्या है आगे जाके, राइट? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट। If you want to be like to earn money good, like you want to be in a good company, right? And if you want to be a lecturer, you want to be research in the stats, you want to do this kind of thing, then you can go for the MSc stats, right? If you want to be a data scientist, because everything the data scientists top recruiters are come from the background of the stats and the maths only, right? So you have good opportunity, you are on the right track, you have done everything is going on the right track, so why you're like not taking that opportunity, right? So market is demanded for the data science and data analytics, and you are on that right path. Getting my point, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't worry, I will give you every or doubts and clear. I will do after this in the end of this session, right? Let me start with the basics now. So there are so many students that don't know about the data science and data analytics. What is the difference between them, and why these so many terms are there? That Power BI, generative AI, right? AI, ML, DL, right? There are so many terms, they are getting confused with these terms. Now, so let me explain this first and then you can ask these questions, right? Related to what I'm telling you, if you have question, you can stop me and you can ask me. Got it, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to back to that three terms we are talking about to understand better the data science or data analytics. These are descriptive analysis. Second is predictive analysis. And third is prescriptive analysis. Can anyone tell me about these meanings of these three terms? Descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. Anyone?
Describing, predicting, and giving feedback.
Sakib, little more louder, can you? Voice is very low.
Describing, predicting, and giving a feedback.
Giving a feedback. Okay. What is predictive?
Predictive means predicting.
Sakib, like your voice is very low. I don't know why, but I'm not getting your voice.
Predictive means prediction, like we have the data, and on top of that, if we are predicting something, what was our previous month said, and we want to predict how much will be the next month.
Right, right. And prescriptive? What is prescriptive? Anyone? Okay, no worries. Let me explain you. I will give you an example, right? Now think about a situation that you are not well, you are sick, right? So what you will do in that case? Tell me, what you will do?
You go to doctor or you'll take any tablets.
You will went to the doctor, right? You will go to the doctor and tell him about your
illness.
What will the first step that you will when you went to the doctor? What will the first step? You will tell about your health, right?
Yeah.
What is happening? So what he will do with his experience, with his knowledge, what he will do?
We'll tell the what exactly happened. Approximately what exactly happened, we'll tell.
He will prescribe. He will do some prescription.
Yes, he will diagnose you, right? First of all, first thing that he will do, that is, he will diagnose you, right? On your statements, right? What is happening to you, right? You will tell your last routine, right? Whatever you have followed, what is you facing with, right? Different problems, right? You will tell him and he will diagnose you with the stethoscope and different like thermometer and different equipments, right? Medical equipments. Yes or no? Right? So diagnosis is the means he will see what is happened. Yes? Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is what the descriptive analysis.
Yes.
Right? So this is what the meaning of descriptive analysis means if you replace yourself with the data. Right? So when you have this data, right? So first thing what you will do, what you will see what is happening in that data. Right? You will analyze that data, right? You will do the diagnosis, right? That is called the descriptive analysis, right? Now, what is the second thing he will do, doctor, after diagnosing you? He will do the prognosis. What do you mean by prognosis? Yes? Anyone?
Assurance that you will be good if you take the medicine.
That will be prescriptive, right? Prognosis means he will tell you that what is happening to you right now, what is your situation, and if you keep on going with this situation, so what will happen to you, right? Maybe heart attack, right? Maybe any failure, any organ failure, right? He will tell you, he will show you the future, that in future you can have this, you can have this, you can have this, and so many threat he will tell you about. What he will tell you, right? That will happen. Yes or no? Right? So, what can happen? He will tell you about what can happen or what will happen. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, in the last, what he will do? He will give you the prescription. Right? And what he will tell you? That, but it will not happen. It will not going to happen if you take my prescription. Right? So means how to resolve the issue. right? So first, when you have the data in data analytics or data science, what you will do, you will see that data, you see what is the problem in that data, and then you can see that in future, what can happen in this situation, right? What is the possibilities you have? Now, if there is something lagging, right, in your future, something like, suppose you are looking for a good sales in the future, like suppose your target is to achieve some point value, right, in your future, and you want to know that how we can like improve that all these stats so that we can have that sales in that future, so that we can earn so much money, right? So that all we can do with the help of the previous data, right? So future we can see, and how to do that, that is what our task, where we are lagging, where we are doing all these things. So on the basis of data analysis, we will resolve that issue. So these three terms explain the workflow or the work of the data analytics or the data science. Getting a point, everyone? Understood about these three terms?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? Now, let me tell you about the workflow, right? So these are the three terms which explains about the data science and data analytics, but you are unable to understand still what is the difference between data science and data analytics, right? Can anyone tell me?
Data analyst means simply use the Excel and Power BI, some Python related terms to analyze the data, and data science means it's a subset superset of data analytics, which uses machine learning, some deep learning concept to infer
Okay.
the hidden pattern from the data.
Okay. So your answer is somehow correct, but it is a little bit confusing, right? So let me give you a flow chart, right, so that you can understand better.
So,
Yes.
for data analytics, it has to do with data which is already presented to the person, and the person might use it to create report. But talking about data science is about prediction, and also this mostly deals with this predictive of analytics. Has to have to do with something that you predict the outcome before
Right.
it comes to reality.
Right,
Yes, sir.
correct, right. But the difference between, if you ask me that we have the numbers in data science, but we don't have the numbers in data analytics, right? We have to explain. We are explaining in data analytics with the help of the graphs and charts, right? And in data science, we have the numbers, exact numbers, or you can say the approximate numbers with the help of the accuracy. We can judge that how accurate data, right? So I will tell you that also, right? But if you ask me about the workflow, so what is the first thing that we have to do in the data analytics? First thing is what? You need data, right? Then only you can do the data analytics, right? And data is coming from the different data sources, right? It can be from the one data source, or it can be from the multiple data sources, right? It can be from the multiple data sources also, right? After this, what you have to do? You have to do the data pre-processing. Can anyone tell me what is data pre-processing? Huh?
What was the question,
To,
sir?
to remove the unwanted columns, to handle the null values, duplicates value, like
Okay, so data pre-processing is also not a smaller task, right? It is the biggest task in data analytics or data science, right? Let me tell you, if you're doing any project in data science or data analytics, your 80% time is consuming in data pre-processing. Why? Because the data what you're getting is not clean. You have so many garbages, right? So first of all, before the data analyzing, you have to clean that data, right? And if you have missing values, right, then also you have to replace those values with the logical values with the help of the stats, right? So these all the tasks we do in the data pre-processing, because if you do the directly data analyzing, so you will get not the right prediction or the right analyzing. Getting your point, everyone? Understood? So data pre-processing is the backbone of the data science or the data analytics, right? It consumes almost 80% time of your data, analyzing the data analytics. Understood? Right? So there are so many works we will do. Removing the garbage values, right? Removing the garbage from the data, right? And replacing the missing values and all, right? Everything. After this, what we'll do? We will analyze the data. We'll do the data analysis. Right? In data analysis, what we'll do? We'll use some formulas, right? So to see what is happening in data, to understand the data, right? From different mathematical formulas and everything, right? What we'll do? We will analyze the data. What is happening in this data? What, like, suppose if we have the sales of last 2 years data we have, so we'll see that how the sales are going on every month to month, right? And what is happening, where we are lagging, where we are doing good, right? So everything we'll do with the help of the data in the data analysis workflow, and we'll see what is happening in the data, right? Now after that, we will divide it into 2 parts, right? One will go for the data analytics and one will go for the data science, right? In data analytics, after this, what we'll do? We'll make the dashboards or create the reports, right? And in here, what we'll do? We'll use AI. What we'll do? We will use AI, right? So in AI, what will we have? We have 2 options. HT, can you mute yourself? So in AI, we have 2 options. What is that? Predictive model and generative model. Right? Getting a point, everyone? Right? So in predictive, we use deep learning and machine learning algorithms to resolve these problems. Right? So that we can predict any futuristic value. Like suppose you come to me, you have a product-based company and you're selling your product, and right now you are having some sales. And you're asking me, sir, please, can you predict after 4 years, what will my sale? Or if I want to do the sale in the future this much, what I have to do? Right? What the changes I have to make in my workflow, right? Getting a point, right? So these are the 2 things that we will use to make it, right? So if you ask me about the data analysis, so this is the data analytics. And this is the data science. Getting my point, everyone? Right? So you can say data science is equal to, if you want to put in the equation, you can say data analytics plus AI. Right? And AI already, you know, we have machine learning and deep learning in AI. Understood, everyone? Understood the workflow? Yes or no?
Yes,
Everyone, please. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood?
Good.
Huh? Please, guys, unmute yourself and tell me you're getting my point. You understood about data science, data analytics, right? So there is a different batches for data science and data analytics. You can enroll according to your need, but in the starting, you have to understand about the data analytics concept, and after that, you will go for the AI, right? So in the starting, you can first enroll for the data analytics also, and then you can proceed for the data science, right? Because you can see, because I will prefer only those students for the AI who are from the technical background, right? Because definitely you are going to do integration, differentiation, all the algorithms are based on that only. So you must have the understanding about these basic mathematics till the 12th class, right? So if you have that understanding, if you're not from the technical background, then also you can do, right? But you must have the intermediate mathematics knowledge, right? If you're not having these kind of mathematics little higher knowledge, you have basic knowledge of mathematics, basic knowledge of computer science, and basic, if you don't have the computer science knowledge also, it works, right? So then also you can understand, because we tell you about the programming language from the basic, from the scratch, right? Just I need your analytic I need your analytic mind, right? That you can understand the different basic things, right? And you can do that, right? So data analytics is open for all. But data science, I already mentioned that I need some person that know about little bit about the mathematics, right? Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me, right? I done from my side. Yes, anyone?
Sir, what technical skills is required for data analyst?
For data analytics,
Technical tools.
technical tools that
Can you brief?
we provide you that knowledge of, like Power BI, right? Excel, SQL, and Python, right? These 4 tools you will have in your training, right? In data analytics. When you go for the data science, 3 tools will be included. That is stats, mathematics, and your machine learning and deep learning. Right? Generative AI is not part of this topic, right? So generative AI is like different. Anyone else?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Is there stored procedure in SQL?
Yes.
Is there stored procedure in SQL?
Is this? Sorry, I'm not getting your point.
I am asking, in our content, is there
Yes.
stored procedure for SQL? Stored procedures.
Stored procedure
means
you want to store anything in your database. That is what you have to learn.
No, there is a content na in SQL, like joins or like
Yes, everything. Here I am. If I'm telling about the SQL, that means we will cover so many topics, right? We will have all the commands like DDL, DML, DQL, TCL, right? We will have joins. We will have subqueries.
Like that
We
only
will.
there is a stored procedures, na? So you are saying like what is stored procedure?
No, everything you will have, right? If I told you about that, I cannot go into detail that what we'll have. See, in Excel also, we'll understand all the basic concepts of the Excel, right? So many tools which are not related to the data analysis, but also I will tell you that also I will tell you in the that advanced functions. I will tell you about like basic format and everything in the Excel also. Then we'll go for the data analysis tools, right? And you'll understand. We will do one project in every module, right? We'll understand how to do data analysis in Excel, right? Then we go for the different module, that is SQL, right? We go from the scratch, right? We understand every commands. Then we go for the joins, subqueries, right? Everything we will understand. Don't worry, right? Similarly, we go for the Power BI. So everything we will understand that also, right? Don't worry. In Python also, we go from the scratch. The 4 libraries which are very popular for in the Python, that is Matplotlib, Seaborn, NumPy, Pandas, everything will be covered, right? Don't worry. Everything will be there. You can ask the team. They will provide you the syllabus, right? You can take this also. Got it, Manoj?
Fine.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I am 2024 pass out student, so I have 1 year of gap. So will be any impact in the companies like situation how to handle this career gap?
Yes. Tell me. What your question? Your voice is not clear.
Sir, I have 1 year of gap.
Okay, you have 1 year of gap, right? Then, so you need. You are looking for a job, or you're doing. You are still looking for a job, right? What you have done?
Yes. BTech.
BTech. From which department?
Yes. computer itself.
Computer science, right? So it's very
Yeah,
relevant, right? Now you are from the computer science department. You can
yeah,
get the job, right? You have to work on it. Your basic skills, right? Like you have to upgrade yourself, right? With data analytics or data science. Definitely, when you have this skills, you can like put this skills on your resume, right? And definitely it will be shortlisted, right? Because as you can see, in so many companies they are getting layoffs, right? So why these layoffs are happening? Because those who are working, they are getting the ultimatum that you have to learn AI, right? But they are not learning the tools for the AI, and they are not upgrading themselves, so they are getting layoffs, right? So now is the time we have there. The market is open. If you are skilled, if you are upgraded yourself into the AI, definitely you will get the job, right? So already we are already rate, right? If you guys are thinking now, so it's already rate. Now, if you're not taking the decision, then I don't know what will happen, right? So that is the current situation. Anyone else?
What's the difference between data science, analytics, and data engineering?
Sorry, Manoj?
What's the difference between data analytics, data science, and data engineering?
Manoj, just now I told you about the data science and data analytics. That you understood the difference between both of them?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Now let me tell you about the data engineer. Data engineer is the work who will provide you the data from the different data sources. So it's not easy to get data from the different data sources, right? So we need to make the pipelines and everything, right?
Okay.
So we need the pipelines. So data engineer work is to provide the data, to collect the data from the different sources, and in the different sources also the data is not in a prepared you can say extension, or you can say in the format, right? So they will convert in for a particular format, and then it will provide it to the data analyst, right? And then he will start the work. So this is how the workflow works. Got it? Yeah. Anything else?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Currently, I am learning the data engineering.
Okay.
In data engineering, there is a Spark and Apache team, right? In that, we process the data. So already we process the data. Then why there is a need of data analyst to all process the data?
Sorry, your voice is not clear. Please, can you come again, please? What your question is?
Sir, in data engineering, we
Yes.
process the data, right? We
Yes. Yes.
collect the
Yes.
data source from different
Pre-process.
source and
Yeah.
pre-process. Then,
Yeah.
there what there is a need to data analysis again the process the data
See,
because
it's
we in the,
okay. Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
right, right.
So right now, the question comes separately. What is data engineer work? What is data scientist work? What is data analytics work? Do you think that we have different departments like data analytics, data science, and the data engineering? No, it's a single department, right? You are recruited what you know. Like if you know about the data science, data analytics, you know about that. So there is a project, right? And every team the team have to work together and to do the task, right? So someone is doing the collecting the data, someone is like analyzing the data. So work is divided into the team. Getting your point? So it's not that data engineer is also working the same, data analytics is also working the same. So definitely in these small companies, if you ask me for these startups, one person is doing all the job, right? So you should know everything. If it is good, you're learning and you have know all these things. If you don't know, then you must know whatever you have the certification. You should be expert in that. Suppose you are in data science, data analytics. So from data and data analytics, you must know about the how to do the pre-processing data, how to make the reports, how to make the dashboards, right? And if you are data engineer, definitely you are looking for the how you can make the pipelines, how you can collect the data and everything, and you can prepare the data. So some parts are the common, which everyone knows, right? So because you are part of the data science and data analytics team. Got it? Right? Understood?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tata.
I wanted to ask, after we complete the course, will we get any internships? or something?
Yeah, definitely you will get a certificate for the internship also. You can connect with the team. Definitely it will, you will get these answers from the team, right? Don't worry. They will help you. They will assist you in the jobs also, right? But if you have any question related to training, what will have, what kind of training you will get, what module you will cover, that I can answer, right? Related to training, we have HR department, right? They can answer better than me, right? Sata will get the help, right? I know
Okay.
that. Yeah, don't worry. See, one thing I will tell you, right? There's so many things are going in the market. Okay, enroll here, you will get the job. I will guarantee your job, right? So let me tell you, no one guarantee his job also, right? It is far that he can guarantee your job, right? So whatever he's saying, he's lying, right? He's making you fool, because no one guarantee his job also. Now I cannot guarantee my job also, right? How he can guarantee your job, right? So if you have skills, if you have knowledge, definitely you will get the job, right? It can happen like you will get some time, you can take some time, more time also, right? But it's not that you will not get the job. If you have learned this, you have upgraded yourself, you have skilled yourself, definitely you will get the job, right? But if you are saying that, okay, I will do nothing, I will learn nothing, right? If you will place me, then I will take the training from here. So it's not going to happen, right? If it is like somehow some of your relative like helps you in placement, right? Definitely, if you are going to the job, definitely you will get out from that job in a month, right? They will throw you out, right? Because if you don't have skills, he can recruit you, but he cannot sustain you in that place. You cannot sustain in that place. Getting your point? Right? So you have to upskill yourself. Don't worry. Don't think like that, okay, I will get the job or not. You haven't started the training, right? Believe in yourself. The thing is what? You're learning or not. You're getting your understanding the concept on. And that is on me. I'm assuring you, right? I have more than 15 years of experience, right? If you are not learning, if you are not understanding any concept, I will tell you 100 times. And you can note it down that if you are there, right? I just need your regularity, right? Your regular practice. What I will give you, you have to practice it, you have to understand, and just come before your, if you are taking any gap, you are taking any leave, then you can go through the recordings and then come to the session, right? I'm assuring you, you will understand concept easily. There is nothing that you cannot understand, right? I take every student together and I never leave any student that behind that, okay, you're not understanding, okay, leave it, or you cannot understand, right? I have techniques, I have 15 years of experience of making understanding the concepts. Don't worry, right? But think about it that you have to first like learn everything, understand everything, and then you have to think about everything else. Got it? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir. I've got a question to ask.
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Actually, I'm not from India.
Okay.
I'm from Nigeria. So the problem is that how am I going to cope with it?
How many?
Is that how am I going to cope with it? I'm asking, will you be organizing the class in this place or there's somewhere else?
Okay, so it's so we have offline classes in the Pune, right? And you can take online also, right? So which time zone you are in which country?
Nigeria.
Which country?
Nigeria, sir. Nigeria.
Okay, so whatever time you are in time zone, I don't know about that, but we will see this, right? Don't worry. We will have this first class, and we will ask everyone in which timing you are comfortable, right? So we are not going any timing that you are not comfortable or it is late night in your place, right? Don't worry. We'll go accordingly to everyone.
All right, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Manoj.
Can we have a little intro of you, like if you are fine with it?
Yeah, please. So my name is Ankur Varshne, right? I am a data scientist, IBM certified, right? I have 15 years experience, but not in completely in data science and data analytics. I have 5 years experience in data science, data analytics. And before that, I have 12 years experience in as a assistant professor in engineering college, right? So I was there, and then I've decided in the after COVID that I have to move in data science. So I've done the certification, right? And after that, I've working as a trainer, right? So anything else that you want to ask about me, Manoj?
No, fine. Thanks you.
Yeah.
I'm just
Okay.
asking, like, you are working professional or a training professional?
No, I'm completely non-training, so I'm not getting time after this also. So I'm busy in this schedule also. Right.
Fine.
Yeah, I'm
Thanks.
enjoying the training part. Yes. Anyone else? Okay. So if there is no doubt, we can wind up here, and soon you will get the notification for the next demo class, and there we will take any project, right, related to any topic, maybe from Power BI, from Excel or Python. Maybe I will decide, see, from where we can do anything. So we'll take a project, right? So I will take you to the data analytics, right? So how we can do, so that will be a demo part, right? So after 2 or 3 classes, demo classes, we start our regular classes, right? So make your decision quickly, right? Because it's already late, right? And we'll start batch soon. You will get the notification. You'll get the next class notification from the team, right? Okay, class. Thank you. Let's wind up here. Good night. Take care.